Deep beneath the Earth's surface lies a vast network of oil fields, waiting to be tapped. Seismic surveys help locate these underground reservoirs, pinpointing the richest oil deposits. Once located, oil rigs are built to extract the crude oil from the Earth's depths. The rig's drilling process involves rotating pipes that extract the oil from the reservoir. As the oil is extracted, it's mixed with water and other substances to create a slurry. This slurry is then transported to a processing facility through a network of pipelines. At the processing facility, the oil is separated from the water and other impurities. The crude oil is then refined into various petroleum products, including gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. Refining involves heating, cracking, and reforming the crude oil to produce usable products. Gasoline, the most widely used refined product, is produced through a process called catalytic cracking. Catalytic cracking breaks down the large molecules in crude oil into smaller ones, releasing gasoline and other products. After refining, the petroleum products are stored in large tanks for transportation and distribution. Petroleum products are then transported to gas stations, airports, and other locations across the globe. At the gas station, the refined products are dispensed to customers through a pump and nozzle system. The journey of crude oil from the oil field to the gas pump is a complex and highly regulated process. From extraction to refining and distribution, every step is carefully planned and executed to ensure safety and efficiency. The oil and gas industry plays a vital role in powering modern society, but it also comes with significant environmental costs. To mitigate these costs, companies are adopting cleaner technologies and practices to reduce their carbon footprint. As demand for energy continues to grow, the oil and gas industry must balance production with sustainability and environmental responsibility. In conclusion, the journey of crude oil from oil field to gasoline is a testament to human ingenuity and the quest for energy. However, this journey also raises important questions about our relationship with energy and the environment. As we look to the future, it's clear that the oil and gas industry will play a vital role in shaping our energy landscape. But it's also clear that we must adopt cleaner technologies and practices to ensure a sustainable energy future for generations to come. The journey of crude oil from oil field to gasoline is a complex and multifaceted one, full of challenges and opportunities. As we continue to explore and develop new energy sources, we must also prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility. In the end, the journey of crude oil from oil field to gasoline serves as a reminder of our collective responsibility to the planet and its resources. As we move forward, let us strive to find a balance between energy production and environmental stewardship. This balance is crucial for ensuring a sustainable energy future that benefits both people and the planet. In conclusion, the extraction and refinement of crude oil is a critical process that underpins modern society. From oil rigs to gas pumps, every step in the journey is crucial for meeting our energy demands and supporting economic growth. However, this process also raises important questions about our relationship with energy and the environment. As we look to the future, it's clear
This video is for educational purposes. Creating using AI tools like Google View 3 and Group AI with editing in CapCut. Information is from public sources. Visual are AI generated and enhanced from storytelling, not real factory footage. All content is original and follows YouTube monetization policies.